Welcome to T-shirt design. This is lesson 11, using free sources for designers. This is a lesson where I will show you how you can use free resources for designers from various kinds of websites and sources from the internet. So let's go ahead and get into our lesson. So welcome back. This is FreePick. As you can see, this is freepick.com, the website over here. Now, in our previous lesson, I showed you some tricks on how you can use utilities or various kinds of objects or techniques to basically design on your workflow and basically make you much more efficient. So here you can search anything. You can also go to vectors, photos, videos, PSD, and templates as well. So here in vectors, let me search prayer or praying. Let me search prayer. And as you can see in our previous lesson, I downloaded this vector from this website over here, and then I put this into our image in our previous lesson. You have many kinds of vectors, images. So let's go to like vectors. For Illustrator, you have a lot of vectors, as you can see over here. Now, in this website, you also have pricing as well. So there are a lot of things which are free. There are also a lot of things which are not free. So here, as you can see, if I were to click on this, I can download it because this is free. Now, the ones which you need to purchase, you are like this. You need to download to go, or you need to have the premium pricing to download this vector image over here into any kind of Adobe, like Illustrator or Photoshop, any kind of software that you might require vectors to design with. So this is one of the websites, FreePick. As you can see, there are various kinds. There are cartoon people, AI, there are streetwear designs as well, like various templates of designs that you can use for, in case of like t-shirt designs. Let's go to vectors and let's go to t-shirt over here. Now, as you can see, these are like mock-ups that you can put into like Photoshop. Like for example, this thing, you can download this, put this into Photoshop, create a smart object layer, and basically do the design on Illustrator. And then under the smart object, you can put it and use the blending modes as I've showed you before to have what you need or what you design. This is for stationery. Over here, as you can see, you have various kinds of like a bag over here. This is a lighter. This is a cup. That's a pen. That's a flag. That's a cap. This is a t-shirt. So you have a lot of like vector image files over here. And as you can see, this is the one that I used, and then change the color into white. There are a lot of like t-shirt vectors, t-shirt designs or images, as you can see. And as you can see over here as well, it's a very simplistic text design over here as well. So FreePick is one place where you can download these vector files from. Now on to the next one, we have Flaticon over here. You can go to Flaticon website. You just search on Google or go to flaticon.com. As you can see over here, flaticon.com. So in Flaticon, you can download basically free forms of icons as vector images. So you have icons, you have interface icons, you have animated icons as well. You have stickers as well. So animated icons, as you can see, these will be animated as you see over there. These are all animated. But for t-shirt design, you do not need the animated icons. You can have like interface icons over here. You can add them, like as you can see, these are some interface icons, like common interface icons that you can use for your t-shirt designs, like unique kinds of designs that you might think of. You have normal icons here. So you have a lot of different forms of icons in like the normal icons. In Flaticon, you have like 13.5 plus million icons in PNG form as well. Yeah, as you can see, there are packaging labels, sleepover party icons, contactless party, contactless pay icons. There are a lot of resources for designers. On to the next one, we have Pixabay over here. Here you have a stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock as well. You have photos, illustrations, vectors as well. So let's go on to vectors. You have a lot of vector files over here as well. So let's go for search for t-shirt designs. T-shirt or t-shirt. There you go. Here you have a lot of t-shirt mockups as well. Same as t-shirt mockups. As you can see, they're a very nice cool, awesome looking t-shirt design or mockups over here. As you can see over here, you can go ahead and download it for free as well from here as well. So let's go ahead and browse some more to see what kind of designs you have. As you can see, there are a lot of designs. Here's another design. There are a lot of designs here as well. So these are like for t-shirt as well. You have orientation, horizontal, vertical. You have the different kinds of size as well. Now, for example, if I were to, you have vectors here. Under vectors here, you have all images, photos, illustrated vectors, videos. You have GIFs, musics, and sound effects as well. Most of them are like free over here. Under explore, you have different forms of things that you can explore on this website. You have photos, illustration vectors, which I've gone through before. You have editor's choice, the ones that the editors choose to be good. You can find those here. So let's go to editor's choice to discover, as you can see over here. Now let's go to vector graphics under editor's choice. As you can see over here, all of these things are chosen by the editors here on this website to be featured, and you can also download any one of them or every one of them. Now let's go on to the next website or like source. Another site like Flaticon we have here is Icon Finder. It's the same as Flaticon, but a little bit different. But the theme is basically the same, that you can find any kinds of icons here. As you can see, you have icons, illustrations, 3D illustrations, and stickers. So let's go to icons first. Over here, you have different kinds of icons. You have feather type icons, letter type icons, the whirl in pastel type icons, font, awesome regular type icons, iconeer, icons sharp, font icons solid, and various others as well. As you can see, you have also sticker type icons as well. Now, as I've showed you before, Pixabay, where you can like find the images, vector images as well, vector files as well. You have Unsplash over here. Unsplash is where you can find various forms of pictures, free source pictures. You have Icon Finder over here, as I've showed right now. You have FreePic. I've also showed that as well. You have Pixels as well. Pixels, you have stock photos and videos. Then there are a lot of others. You have Burst over here. These are also for free stock photos. You have Kaboom Pics for free stock photos for designers as well. You have Gratistofragi over here. You have high resolution stock photos here compared to the previous ones. You have Deck to Stock photos for creatives as well. You can also find icons on this website as well. So there are various forms of websites and free source sites that you can just Google up. If you Google up like 100 free like sources for designers, you will find this list as I'm showing you. And you can go ahead and browse through all of them to see what you want for your design or what you want for your content that you will be creating for. So that will be all for this lesson, and I'll be seeing you later on. Thank you.